subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Nokia C22, and it was earlier announced globally back in February this year. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Nokia C22 supports a 6.5-inch HD+ IPS display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the Nokia C22 comes powered by Uni-SoC SC9863A chipset, paired with 2 or 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 Undergo edition, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP52 certified for distance plus assistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 75.9 by 8.55mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Nokia C22 has been priced in India for 2GB plus 64GB storage variant at 7,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 8,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in charcoal, sand, and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C22 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.